Minimalist kitchens are admired for their clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and understated elegance. They emphasize simplicity, functionality, and visual calm, qualities that create a refreshing sense of order in the home. However, some homeowners worry that minimalism can feel too sterile or cold, especially in an area meant for gathering and daily activity. The good news is that a minimalist kitchen can be both sleek and incredibly welcoming when designed with comfort in mind. This video explores practical, thoughtful ways to make a minimalist kitchen feel more inviting, warm, and comfortable, without compromising the core principles of minimalism. 1. Add warmth through natural materials. Minimalist kitchens often feature smooth surfaces and streamlined finishes, which can sometimes feel clinical. Introducing natural textures and materials is an effective way to warm up the space while staying true to minimalist principles. You can incorporate warmth through wood cabinetry or shelving, natural stone countertops, such as matte marble or quartz, wrought tan or wooden bar stools, warm wooden cutting boards displayed intentionally, woven rugs or placemats. These materials bring subtle, organic textures that soften the overall aesthetic and add a sense of comfort without clutter. 2. Use soft, neutral color palettes with warm undertones. Minimalist kitchens often rely on neutral colors, but the key to making them inviting is choosing shades with warmth rather than stark coolness. Instead of crisp white and sharp gray, consider colors that have softer undertones. Warm minimalist palettes include creamy whites, beige and sand tones, taupe, warm grays or greige, muted earth tones like olive, terracotta, or clay, light wood tones. These hues create a welcoming atmosphere while maintaining simplicity and visual clarity. 3. Incorporate soft lighting for a cozy ambience. Lighting is one of the most influential elements in transforming the mood of a minimalist kitchen. Harsh, overly bright lighting can make the space feel cold, while soft, layered lighting creates warmth and atmosphere. Effective lighting ideas include under-cabinet LED strips for gentle task lighting, warm white bulbs instead of cool white, pendant lights above the island or dining area with soft, diffuse glow, recessed ceiling lights to maintain a clean look, minimalist lamps or wall sconces for additional warmth. Aim for a layered lighting strategy that combines functionality with ambience. 4. Use textures to add depth and comfort. One reason minimalist kitchens may appear too plain is the lack of texture. Introducing subtle textural elements creates depth and visual interest without interrupting the minimalist flow. Consider adding linen or cotton kitchen towels, a soft, low-profile rug in front of the sink, textured ceramic dishes leading to open shelving, matte finishes for cabinets or hardware, frosted glass cabinet doors. These textures soften sharp lines and help the kitchen feel more lived in and comfortable. 5. Add greenery for a fresh, inviting vibe. Plants bring life, freshness, and natural beauty into minimalist kitchens. The greenery contrasts beautifully with simple, neutral backdrops and makes the space feel more organic and welcoming. You can introduce greenery through a small potted plant on a countertop, fresh herbs growing near the window, a simple vase with eucalyptus or fresh flowers, hanging plants in minimalist pots. Choose simple, uncluttered planters to keep the minimalist aesthetic intact. 6. Keep surfaces clear but not empty. Minimalism doesn't mean everything must be hidden, only that surfaces should remain purposeful and uncluttered. Leaving a few thoughtful items on display can make the kitchen feel more personal and inviting. Well-chosen items may include a wooden bowl filled with fruit, a ceramic jug or vase, a stylish cutting board leaning against the backsplash, a minimal cookbook stand. These small touches add warmth without overcrowding the space. 7. Upgrade seating for comfort and style. Comfortable seating contributes significantly to the welcoming feel of a minimalist kitchen. Sleek bar stools look great, but if they're too stiff or cold, they can make the area feel uninviting. Look for bar stools with soft cushions, chairs with curved backs for ergonomic comfort, upholstered dining chairs with neutral fabrics, wooden stools with smooth, rounded edges. Balancing style with comfort ensures your kitchen invites people to sit, relax, and stay a while. 8. Incorporate personal touches mindfully. Minimalism doesn't require removing personality, just curating it thoughtfully. A few meaningful pieces can enhance the warmth of the kitchen without cluttering it. Consider adding a simple framed art print, a small, tasteful wall clock, a handmade ceramic bowl or mug, a neutral-colored patterned rug, a single-statement decor piece, such as a pendant light or sculpture. The key is intentionality. Every piece should contribute to the comfort and harmony of the space. 9. Use open shelving strategically. Open shelving can make a minimalist kitchen feel more inviting, as long as it's styled carefully. Instead of filling shelves with random items, display a select collection that looks clean and cohesive. Examples of curated shelf items include a stack of neutral plates, 2 or 3 matching mugs, glass jars filled with dry ingredients, a small plant or vase, simple bowls in earthy tones. This approach adds visual interest while maintaining order. 10. Maintain a balance between clean and cozy. Making a minimalist kitchen inviting is about balance. Too many accessories may disrupt the minimalist feel, while too few may make the space look bare. Strive to blend coziness with structure by choosing decor that enhances comfort without creating visual noise. The overall goal is to create a space that feels both orderly and warm, a kitchen that is clean, open, and bright, yet still welcoming and lived in.